Alright, bet we good. We solid, we solid. Alright, so today was another no trade day, and there wasn't a whole lot going on. So this will be fairly quick. Give me I gotta give me 1 second. I gotta hide my screen for what I'm about to do. I just want to give you a quick rundown of the morning and then a quick rundown of what to look for this week, because this week last week we had a theme going on that I think would be helpful to realize. Alright, so CYPH popped up, but CYPH, it was a higher flow stock. And we know these higher flow stocks, we tend to want more volume on, and it rolled over in the morning anyway. So with the high flow rolling over, I wasn't really too concerned about. And then ONMD popped up. Now this one, another high flow stock, rolled over. We also had was AMIX pop up. AMIX was a lower float. In my opinion, I didn't see no clean moves on it. And I wanted to see something that I actually thought could break out. In this, I didn't have the confidence in. And I wasn't, by the time I saw this, I wasn't interested because it popped up and sold off. And then I kind of left it alone. And I'm looking for a very specific criteria right now, since last week we saw a certain criteria that was working. VSIG, lower float, sold off. So what I wanted to break down was what happened last week and what was working. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna have to hide this again. What was working was acquisitions, mergers, trustees, liquidations, Form 6Ks, and AI infrastructure. That's where we was getting the majority of the big moves, right? So GLTO, and private placements. This was a merger, $285 million private placement, where you had this huge short squeeze. I don't know if that was today, but a lot of these stocks that have popped up the last week have been sub 5 million share float and more indefinitely smaller floats, like under a million. And the relative volume, we've been seeing over 5. So typically what I'm looking for is something within those catalyst lines, something below 5 million share float. Move was another example where it's a sub stock. Another one was it CMCT? Yeah, CMCT. Another one was, I think it was CYCU. CYCU. So a lot of these are sub 5 million share floats, and a lot of them all revolve around that same type of catalyst. So that's kind of what I'm looking for this week, and what I'm really dialing in on and want to focus on. In today, since I didn't see none of that and it was pretty slow and I didn't see nothing in my price range, I didn't end up taking a trade. But that's gonna wrap it up for me. Not much to talk about. Slow morning, not a lot going on. But I just wanted to give you that tip from what I saw last week, reviewing last week, looking at it, what I think to look for this week that has the highest probability to work. But that's going to be it from me, guys. I appreciate y'all, and I'll catch you in the next one.